Basically, the situation was that we were up there. The main thought was, how do we get our own entrance there? How can we manage to keep the two parties separate so that each has their own entrance?
We can also use the elevator. That's really important for us now. We're getting older too, or at least we hope we will. And then we'll be glad when we can use the elevator.
Of course, everyone wishes for a new house, but with today's price developments, that's not so easy anymore. So for us, renovating was really the logical option. At some point, it turned out that the company from Ascendor was mentioned in a newspaper article. I think it was even in the tips. My father-in-law saw it.
So we said, this actually suits us really well for the elevator ride.
Even before planning the house, we actually got in touch with the company Ascendor, and that made everything go very smoothly. Communication with Ascendor was very professional. I'd even say it was a handshake quality experience. It wasn't a difficult decision for us to choose Ascendor.
It was clear to us that, of course, we were looking for a lift that we liked visually.
What fascinated me about the QuattroPorte was the panoramic glazing. It was very important to me that I didn't have a shaft in the entrance area, because otherwise the garage would have been worth one parking space less.
We really use it for comfort, especially me when I do my weekly shopping.
And for the kids with their school bags, it's a significant relief in everyday life.
But we also have grandparents who aren't so good on their feet anymore. A grandma who uses a walker, she would have a really hard time getting up to us. Now, of course, it's absolutely no problem for her to come visit us. And of course, she also finds it incredibly nice that now it's just air being caught here.
I would recommend it to anyone planning a renovation, because even though you have accessibility in a new building, you still have a chance, even if you don't need it at the moment. But everyone will need it again, and eventually everyone will need it.